Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss what is responsive viewer extension. How we can see the same Google screen, let's say for an iPad, for an iPhone, for a desktop, we can add multiple desktops by only using the same responsive viewer. It's a very powerful extension. Let us look into it. For that, guys, just click on the web store, search for responsive viewer extension, click on it. It's a future extension, add to Chrome, add extension. Now let me open google.com. Now click here, extensions. Now you can pin this extension. Click on pin. Now if you click here, so it will show you the entire responsive viewer. See, this is how the large screen Google looks like, right? This is how the Google would look like in your mobile. We can add as many screens as you want. We can add the large screen, which is already there. We can actually add a screen. Just click here. So it will ask you to add a screen. Let us add Samsung Galaxy. So Galaxy S23, something like that you add. So just add 320. I think it will be 528. So add screen. So user agent you have to add. Let us add Samsung phone. Click on add screen. It will now would have been added down. Okay. So let us move to down. So you can see here is here. Okay. You can see the screen will be like this. You can see screen is like this. Now you see the products will come here. That's it. It will look like this. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.